Bookworms bonding.
Excuse me, couldn't help but overhear you mention that manuscript. Mind if I peek? I have a nose for hidden literary treasures, you see.
Well, it's just a rough draft, but sure.
Wow, this voice. You've captured the protagonist's loneliness in a way that's both raw and poetic. It's like peering into their soul.
You really think so? I wasn't sure if.
Absolutely. You, my friend, have a story begging to be told. Have you considered querying agents? I know a fantastic one who appreciates fresh talent like yours.
I was too scared, but hearing this from you, maybe I should take a leap.
Do it. We bookworms need to stick together, encourage each other. Besides, I can't wait to see this masterpiece on bookstore shelves. Coffee sometime to celebrate your literary debut.
I'd love that. Thank you, Ethan. You've given me the confidence to chase my dream. Foodie friends. These flavors are an explosion. Spicy, tangy, perfectly balanced. You're raising the bar for street food, Ben.
Thanks. I believe street food can be an adventure for the senses, a culinary story in every bite. So glad you're enjoying it.
I always do. Your truck's been my secret weapon for impressing friends and conquering hangovers. What inspired this kimchi masterpiece?
A trip to Seoul last year. I fell in love with their street food culture, especially the boldness of kimchi. But I wanted to give it a twist, a California twist with avocado and lime.
Well, mission accomplished. I'm already plotting my next visit. Maybe we can collaborate sometime. I have a food blog with tons of readers hungry for authentic experiences.
I'd love that. Imagine teaming up to create gourmet street food tours, sharing hidden gems and untold stories behind every dish.
Now that's an idea I can sink my teeth into. Food, friends, and adventures, what more could you ask for? The reunion. Oh wow, I didn't expect to see you here. How have you been?
Likewise. It's been ages. I'm doing well, just caught up with work and life. How about you?
Busy as always, but I can't complain. By the way, did you hear about our old friend Sarah? She's coming to the next gathering.
No way. That's fantastic news. It's been forever since the three of us hung out together. What's new with Sarah?
She got a new job and is living in the city now. We should plan a get-together soon.
Absolutely. I've missed our trio adventures. Let's make it happen.
I'm thinking a dinner party next weekend. What do you say?
Count me in. I'll bring a bottle of wine. Music and memories.
The DJ is killing it tonight. What's your go-to party song?
Right. I'm all about those classic 80s hits. Don't Stop Believin' gets me every time. How about you?
Great choice. I'm more into the indie scene lately. Have you heard the latest album from a band name? It's a game changer.
Oh, I haven't. I'll definitely check it out. Speaking of music, remember that road trip we took and made that epic playlist?
How could I forget? That was legendary. We need to plan another road trip soon.
Agreed. Let's start brainstorming destinations and, of course, the ultimate playlist.
I'm already excited. It's going to be epic. Life updates. It's been ages since we caught up. What's new in your life?
Oh, you know, the usual. Work, family, the whole shebang. I did start a new hobby, though, painting.
That's awesome. I always knew you had a hidden artist in you. Any masterpieces so far?
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves, but I'm having a blast. Speaking of hobbies, didn't you mention wanting to take up photography?
I did. I finally got a camera, and I've been experimenting. It's challenging, but so rewarding.
We should plan a creative day together, painting and photography. It'll be our artsy escape.
I love that idea. Let's make it happen next weekend.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. The surprise celebration.
Hey, Mark. I can't believe you pulled off this surprise party. It's amazing.
Thanks, Alice. I wanted to do something special for your birthday. How are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm blown away. I had no idea. You really caught me off guard. And look at all these decorations.
Glad you like it. I thought about our conversation last month when you mentioned wanting a low-key celebration.
You remembered that. I appreciate it so much. It's the perfect mix of cozy and festive. And the playlist. You remembered all my favorite songs.
Well, I had to make sure the music was on point. Oh, and there's a surprise guest waiting to wish you. Ready for it?
A surprise guest too. You're killing me with excitement. Bring it on.
Right this way. The office party antics. Sarah, can you believe they went all out for the office party this year?
Chris, it's like they transformed the entire space. The decorations are insane.
I know, right? And did you see the snack table? It's a feast.
Speaking of which, have you tried those mini cupcakes? They are divine.
I think I've had 3 already. No regrets. By the way, have you seen the hilarious photos from the photo booth?
Oh, those are priceless. We need to grab a few shots later. And did you catch the karaoke setup? It's calling our names.
Karaoke is a must. I'm thinking duet, what do you say?
Count me in. Let's bring the house down with our rendition of some classic 90s hits.
It's a plan. But first, more cupcakes.